Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is actually one I filmed last year in Bali, but I'm only now getting around to editing it. Does that ever happen to you? You leave a project unfinished, forget about it for months, and then finally look back and think, why didn't I edit this sooner? Because this shoot was so cool. We found this beautiful Airbnb and the owners kindly let us shoot here in exchange for some photos, and this place was absolutely stunning. Every corner was the perfect photo op, and we had two gorgeous models, Julia and Atlanta, and my friend Anita, who's also a photographer. She was shooting alongside me that day, so make sure to check out her channel to see how she captured the shoot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm on my way to 1 million subscribers, and it would be amazing to hit that milestone this year. Okay, now let's get into the video. We started off in the kitchen area, and I absolutely loved how everything was made out of this beige stone. It gave the space a really minimalistic monochromatic look, so we styled the first look with a crochet cover up to match that vibe. And the natural light in this area was so beautiful, and the light colored walls helped to reflect it around the space, creating that soft glowy effect on the skin. And what if you try sitting there on the steps? And just like a little bit closer to that. Oh, actually, no. Yes, that's good.
Does this look weird or is it okay?
No, I think I like it. Yeah. Oh, that's really beautiful. Love that. Love it. Yes, amazing. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, love that. Love that. Very nice, yes. Love it. Ooh, love this, yes. Oh yes, the shoulder. Yeah, give me the shoulder again like that. Yeah. Yes, and turn towards me just a little bit more, like with your body, like just a little bit. Yes. Ooh, that's really nice. Yeah, love that. Ooh, oh yes, oh that's beautiful. Oh, love that, love. As you can see, like all the jewelry, it's really cool. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes. Oh, I love that, yes. And chin down here just a little bit more, yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful, yeah. Yeah, what if you put your head, yes, more like straight on, yes. Yeah, I love that. Love it. Ooh, say like that, chin down, yes. And eyes at me, gorgeous. I know a lot of you are really interested in my editing process, so I thought I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what it looks like. So I always start with Capture One. I've talked about this in many videos before, but I just really like the way the Capture One processes my RAWs. I feel like they come out looking really beautiful and true to what I saw in my camera when I was shooting. I find that Adobe color profiles just look very flat and green. I just don't like them. And I really like the color correcting tools that Capture One has as well. So this is what my image looked like straight out of the camera. I created a preset for this particular shoot, and this is what the preset looked like. And you can see this is the before and after on the image. I wanted to really brighten it up but still keep her skin really nice and tanned. I might adjust this preset just a little bit because it's looking just a little bit bright, so I'm just gonna drop the brightness just a tiny bit and maybe make it just a little bit more warm. So we're just gonna keep it like that. So now when I'm happy with the images, I go ahead and I save it as a TIFF. And my next step is doing some skin retouch, and I'm gonna do that in Photo AI. So here we are in Photo AI, and this is the before and after on the skin retouch. I absolutely love this software. I think it does such an amazing job at doing really natural looking skin retouch that takes you literally like 5 seconds. All you have to do is just put any of the sliders and it will do the retouch for you. I just did some body dodge and burn, facial dodge and burn, and one thing that I always like to do is I add just a little bit of the skin tone on top. So this is what it works like. You can like change the skin tone of the model. I kind of chose the one that is similar to hers and just added a little bit of that on top. And I can make it just a little bit more cool tone as well and give it a tint. And yeah, this was the before and after. Again, it's a very like small difference, but it saves so much time for me when retouching because I don't have to deal with this anymore. So when I'm happy with this image, I export it as a TIFF as well, and then I do some finishing touches in Photoshop. So finally we are in Photoshop, and I did a little bit of a crop here. I brighten up the model with some masks. I do just a little bit more dodge and burn, and then I do some more color correcting, and finally just like little touches. And this is pretty much the finished result.
More, even more. And like, yeah. And if you can like keep your head a little bit lower. Yes, like this. Can you feel it like on your nose, like the sun? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so try not to like keep it low so that is no sun going there. Yes. You can definitely move a little bit here, just, yeah, with your hands, just your face, try to keep it like in the shade. Yes. What if you go even more like this towards me? Yeah, yes. Oh, that's beautiful actually. Yes, love. Oh, love that. Love. Yes. Trying to like. What if, can you drop just a little bit lower, a few more steps? Maybe one more. Yes, right here, it's perfect. And just keep doing what you were doing before, yeah. Yes, amazing. And one more, go more in the shade to the side. Yes. Oh my God, yes, I love that. That's so pretty. Love it. What if you scooch a little bit closer to the wall with your bum? Oh, actually, that's beautiful. Yes. Oh, I love that. Love it. Oh, gorgeous. You're so good at posing, I don't even have to tell you what to do. Okay, yes, that's beautiful. Love that. Oh, gorgeous. Can you do that right here in the shade? More like kind of like this. I'm doing like a very, very cropped. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, yes, that was gorgeous. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, love it, love it, love it.
If you're still watching, congratulations, you've made it to the coolest location of the whole photo shoot. I didn't want to just give it to you at the beginning of the video, okay? You had to wait for it. This spot was also a bit challenging to film the behind the scenes for, and I pretty much only had just this one angle to shoot from, which is this window. But how cool is this tub? If you're in Bali, I highly recommend checking out this spot for the photo shoot.
So because, you know, I want this shot to be like you guys just chilling, you know what I mean? Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, yes. Love that. Love, 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 you guys. So good. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, Atlanta, what if you get a little bit closer and like as if you are putting the foot into the bat? Oh, that's impossible. Okay. From the ledge. It's like so hard because then like one foot is like gone, you know what I mean? Yeah, what if you do it from there? Is that possible? Yes. Ooh. Yeah, try that, try that. Yes, love that. Love, 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 love. Yes, yes. Actually, Julia, yeah, put your hand there. Yes. Yeah, keep your hand there, Julia. Yeah. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Atlanta, what if you look to the side? Oh, yes, yeah, up like that, yes. Oh, oh, okay, stay, do not move, you guys. Stay in this pose, please. Julia, would you be able to turn on the tap? Yes. Okay, ooh, that's really cool. Okay, now, Julia, what if you're just standing, again, like in the tub maybe, right beside Atlanta, yeah.
Here?
Yes. Yeah, that's really cute, actually, you just doing that. Yes, I think that's really cool. Yeah, and then, and Atlanta, you're just gonna be like, yes, 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 that's literally it. Yes, that's very nice. That's actually really nice. Oh, I love that, you guys.
After I shot in this area, it was Anita's turn to shoot in this location, and she did this really cool pose with the curtains that gave me an idea to also use the curtains, but I did it just a little bit in a different way and shot it backlit. The light here was awesome and I loved the curtain idea, but this area was really small and I could barely move. I only had this one spot to shoot from, but I still think that these pictures came out really cool. So then I decided that I wanted her almost wrapped in the curtain, so I tucked it into her underwear. I didn't do a great job, and honestly I have no idea how I didn't notice that the curtain wasn't fully covering her bottom. I had to use some generative fill in Photoshop to fix it and fully cover everything. And this is a good reminder that you really have to pay attention to the details when you shoot, but thank God for Photoshop.
What if you sit on the couch? Yes. What if you sit more like this, like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works. And then we can switch you, and then she can be turned this way. I still want to. Oh yes, yes, that's nice, you guys. Yes, I love that. No, that's good. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, just keep posing here. Yeah. Okay, I like that, but scooch a little bit closer to her. And let's now switch, you guys, because I want you both to be turned towards each other.
Okay. So I'm lying.
Yes, yes.
Oh, same pose.
Oh, actually, you know what? No, sit. You know what? You sit over there. Do you remember when I was sitting like there? Yes. You sit in that spot. And maybe you actually sit up like, yes. Ooh, and then like, maybe even like, you know, like your arms somewhere.
Wait, where am I sat?
I'm thinking if you're sitting close to her, like maybe even something like this. You know what I mean? Yes, I think that's better. Yeah, that's perfect, you guys. We got it. We figured it out. Oh, that's really nice. Yes. That's nice. Ooh, that's really cool. Love it, love it, love it. The only thing now, the legs look a little bit awkward there. Yeah, I think that's better. Yes. Yes, oh, I love that, I love that. Oh, that's very nice. That's very beautiful, you guys. Yeah, just kind of like slouchy, yeah.
So finally, I took some simple portraits of the girls by this textured wall. Again, the light here was just beautiful because it's reflected off of all of these surfaces, and it makes this space the perfect natural light studio. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!